Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on repost button on Instagram posts. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram has finally introduced a repost button, bringing the platform closer to your TikTok's repost tool and former Twitter retweet function like this. This update means you can now share someone else's public reels or feed post directly to your profile with credit to the original creator without third-party apps or awkward workarounds. So on my previous video, I'll show you how to turn off this feature. But now, what if you want to turn this feature again? So you can still repost someone's post, but if you see on my post, there's no repost button on it now. So no one can repost your post. Now you want to let people repost it. It's very simple. You can go to your settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down. Now you can go to sharing and reuse. And you'll find there is an option repost on post and reels. You can tap on the toggle in here. So now if you see on your post, there is a repost button on here. So now anyone who sees your posts or reels, they can see they can see the repost button on here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on repost button on Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.